The various system elements that you can add to your flow network can be found in the System Element bar below the Toolbar menu. The yellow gear button allows you to hide or show the System Elements bar. Choose a system element such as the sub-basin and drag and drop it onto the flow network map. In the appearing System Elements window, you are required to enter a unique key as well as a description for your sub-basin. The unique key should consist of 3 characters. There are different tabs where you can choose options for your system element. Under the Flow Direction tab, you can change the displayed flow direction of your element on the flow network map. This setting does not influence the calculation. Besides the sub-basin element, there is also the water transport element, which could represent a river reach. Drag and drop it onto the flow network map and enter a key as well as a description, then change the flow direction as shown before. You can also add a diversion, a source or a sink, or even a reservoir to your flow network map.